Ever get that 3 p.m. slump where chocolate whispers your name and willpower melts faster than ice cream on a hot day? We've all been there, friends, but what if I told you delicious, healthy treats weren't locked away in a time-consuming, flour-dusted land? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of dessert paradise. I'm your guide, and in this whirlwind tour, we'll whip up 5 mind-blowing, healthy treats in minutes, with just 5 ingredients each. Think frozen bites bursting with sunshine, creamy parfaits dancing with berries, and even a decadent chocolate dream that'll make your taste buds do a victory lap. So grab your spoons, because the dessert revolution starts now. Say goodbye to boring popsicles and hello to choco-dipped sunshine sticks. These frozen treats are like little edible rays of sunshine dipped in a dark chocolate hug that'll melt your stress away faster than you can say, banana split. Gather your squad, 3 ripe bananas, a cup of dark chocolate chips, the darker the better, a splash of milk for smoothness, a spoonful of coconut oil, our secret weapon for melting magic, and popsicle sticks to hold the whole party together. Pop those sunshine soldiers in the freezer for at least an hour. Now, while they get their chill on, let's whip up their chocolatey armor. In a bowl, melt those chips with the milk and coconut oil like a pro. Remember, low and slow is the motto for perfect chocolate. That's the sound of happiness. Now dip those frozen friends in the chocolate bath, roll them in sprinkles or crushed nuts if you're feeling fancy, and stick them back in the freezer for another hour. That's it. 2 hours, 5 ingredients, and pure dessert bliss. So there you have it, folks. The antidote to dessert boredom, the champion of quick treats, the one and only choco-dipped sunshine stick. Now go forth, conquer your cravings, and remember, with a little magic and 5 ingredients, anything is possible in the kitchen. See you for dessert number 2, craving something light, dreamy, and bursting with juicy goodness? Brace yourselves for creamy berry cloud parfaits. These layered beauties are like little edible gardens dancing on your spoon, with creamy Greek yogurt as the soil and fresh berries the sweetest sunshine. Gather your garden essentials, a cup of plain Greek yogurt, choose your favorite style, a rainbow of your favorite berries, we love strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, a 1/4 cup of crunchy granola for some earthiness, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, optional if you're feeling adventurous. Layer away. Start with a fluffy yogurt base, then pile on those juicy gems like sun-kissed pebbles. Sprinkle some granola goodness on top for texture, and if you're feeling like a dessert architect, drizzle a touch of honey or maple syrup for an extra kiss of sweetness. Behold your edible masterpiece. These creamy berry cloud parfaits are perfect for breakfast, a post-workout pick-me-up, or just a delightful anytime treat. And remember, get creative. Swap the berries for mango chunks, use nuts instead of granola, or even throw in a dollop of your favorite jam. The possibilities are as endless as your garden of flavors. So there you have it, folks. Embrace the sunshine, conquer your cravings, and remember, with a little imagination and 5 ingredients, your kitchen can bloom with endless dessert delights. See you for dessert number 3. Ready for a warm hug in dessert form? Welcome to the world of spiced apple crumble bliss balls. These bite-sized wonders capture the essence of autumn in every roll, with tender apples, cozy spices, and a touch of nutty crunch. Gather your autumn essentials: 2 apples, chopped and sizzling with cinnamon and nutmeg, a cup of rolled oats for wholesome goodness, a handful of dried cranberries for a burst of tartness, a sprinkle of almonds for crunch, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, and a pinch of magic, aka more cinnamon and nutmeg. Let's get rolling. Cook those apples until they're soft and fragrant, then blend them into a smooth dream. Mix in the oats, cranberries, almonds, honey, and spices, and create your bliss balls with love. Roll them in extra cinnamon for a cozy finish. That's the taste of autumn leaves and warm fireplaces. These spiced apple crumble bliss balls are perfect for snacks, desserts, or even breakfast on the go. And remember, get creative with your fillings. Swap the cranberries for raisins or dates. Use different nuts or add a dollop of peanut butter for a surprise twist. Craving a tropical getaway without the airport hassle? Dive into tropical chia sunrise puddings. These vibrant jars are like mini vacations in every spoonful, with juicy mango, creamy coconut, and the magical powers of chia seeds. Gather your island essentials: a cup of mango chunks, frozen for extra creaminess, a can of coconut milk for a touch of paradise, a quarter cup of chia seeds for that pudding magic, a handful of pineapple chunks for a tangy twist, and a squeeze of lime juice to brighten things up. Shake it up. Blend those mangoes into a smooth dream, mix in the coconut milk, chia seeds, pineapple, and lime, and let the fridge do the rest. Overnight, those tiny chia seeds will transform into a creamy, dreamy pudding that's as refreshing as a dip in the ocean. Aloha, breakfast bliss. These tropical chia sunrise puddings are perfect for sunny mornings, afternoon pick-me-ups, or even light desserts. And remember, get creative with your toppings. Add granola, berries, toasted coconut, or even a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. Need a quick dose of decadent bliss with a healthy twist? Look no further than Choco Almond Yogurt Bark. This frozen masterpiece is like a canvas for your creativity, drizzled with dark chocolate and studded with your favorite crunchy delights. Gather your artistic essentials: a cup of plain Greek yogurt, your favorite dark chocolate chips for that rich, velvety goodness, a splash of milk and a spoonful of coconut oil for the melting magic, a handful of almonds for some toasty texture, and any other toppings your heart desires. Dried fruit, sprinkles, chopped nuts, the possibilities are endless. Let's paint. Spread that creamy yogurt canvas on a baking sheet and freeze it for a smooth base. While it chills, melt those chocolate chips with the milk and coconut oil like a dessert Picasso. Get creative. Drizzle your masterpiece with chocolate swirls, dip it in nuts, sprinkle it with rainbows of toppings, and unleash your inner artist. Snap, crackle, pop. This Choco Almond Yogurt Bark is pure joy in every bite. Break it into pieces, share with friends, or keep it all for yourself. We won't judge. And remember, there are no rules in this edible art form. Experiment with different chocolates, fruits, and spices to create your own signature bark masterpieces. So there you have it, folks. 5 epic, healthy desserts you can whip up in minutes with just 5 ingredients. We took a trip to Sunshine Land with choco-dipped banana ice pops, danced in a berry garden with creamy berry cloud parfaits, rolled through autumn bliss with spiced apple crumble bliss balls, sipped the tropics with tropical chia sunrise puddings, and unleash our inner artist with Choco Almond Yogurt Bark. Remember, with a little magic and 5 ingredients, anything is possible in the kitchen, so grab your spoons, your whisks, and your adventurous spirit. Try these recipes, make them your own, and share your creations with the world. Tag us on social media, subscribe for more dessert adventures, and remember, the kitchen is your playground. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and most importantly, have fun.